Okay, beaches in Goa are very important because they are the hub for economic activity, tourism activity for which the entire Goa strives. It is important that we keep these beaches clean, and this drive can only be successful with involvement of each and everyone. Towards this, we want to spread the awareness about the requirement of clean beaches in Goa. And as part of International Coastal Cleaner Day, which is celebrated internationally in September, we want all general people to join this drive, go to the nearest beach, clean those areas, collect whatever is wasteful over there, keep it there, and take a pledge that let's keep our beaches clean. Because I believe whatever we give it to sea, it gives us back. If we give it garbage, it will give us the garbage. So it is important that it should not be a one-day drive only. It is the awareness. If it is successful, people should be aware that we keep our beaches absolutely clean so that we get benefited and the future generation can get benefited. So towards this, we appeal everyone to join this drive, go to the nearest beach, join us, strengthen us, and keep Goa clean. Thank you.
Sir, how many beaches?
20 beaches as of now we are covering.
Sir, you just explain on coast.